So you peeking at me. You hungry? Hmm? This what you want? Get it, get it. Hey everyone, Asha here from Pandemonium. It is a beautiful day and we're still here in Olympia on Seal's property. I have to get to my mess today. I still have the dog box off and I'm going to change the spark plug wires. I'm actually kind of dreading it. Just something I don't feel like doing, but I'm going to get around to it today and get that done because we are leaving here tomorrow. We have to get back to Terry and Scott's property for the meetup. So, yep, I definitely have to get that done today. Are you being lazy, Moo Moo? Huh? Are you the lazy girl? So lazy. Like I showed in my last video, I got the Duralast Gold spark plug wires. They're a little more expensive, but I don't mind. Yep, I just have to get to it today. Shouldn't be that bad of a project. I'm just going to do each wire one at a time, take my time, and get it done. I have them organized from shortest to longest. It did come with instructions. It says to change the longest spark plug first. Grasp the distributor and terminal boot. Remove with a steady rotating pull. And of course, don't forget to apply the boot grease. It says it goes inside the lip of the spark plug boot to aid in installation and future removal. Got the first one off. That was a little more complicated than I thought it would be. I took the furthest one off first. Took the old wire which is behind and matched it up with the new one to make sure the length was right. And I put the boot grease in. I just have to install it. I seated the first wire onto the spark plug, got the click, and then I ran the wire. And now I have to put this one on. Make sure it clicks. There it goes. Nice click. Alright. Now I just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. There's 9 total with the distributor cap one here. That's the shortest one. Okay, let's take off this next one. They're a little hard to get off. Kind of a weird angle. Oh, there it goes. Okay. There's that one. I was going to remove this one and notice, look, it's not seated down all the way. I need to tighten that screw. The second one's off. We thought the wires were good because my uncle and I replaced these probably about 2 years ago, but they weren't. I guess I should have replaced them. The seats or the little clips that hold it in look like they're not clasping the spark plug good anymore. I'm running the second wire. The boot grease is on and well, that clicked in good. Nice. Alright. I have to run this wire. There's a clip right there, but this part that holds the wires has broken, so I'm going to replace that. Luckily it comes with an extra set. Just put the grease in. I'm going to do the second one. Nice. Yay! It looks so nice and clean. Now it's time to remove the one that was faulty, one that I noticed that was faulty. It's this one here. Some of these are so hard to get off. They're in an awkward place. So weird. Ah, there it goes. I got it. Oh, yay! Let's see, it's this one here. Okay. Alrighty. Here's the faulty wire, and that's the problem there. The boot is split right there at the corner. That's where I saw it shooting out anyways, the electricity. Checked over the other wires here, and they are in good shape. I don't see any cracks or anything, but I'm probably not going to keep these because they're only 35 bucks to replace, and yeah, no. Well, I might keep one tucked in the tool case. That way, if one, like this one, happens to go bad, then I'll have a spare one until I can get to the store. But yeah, I'll keep one or two. It is pretty hot today. Ugh, I should have did this yesterday when it was a little cooler, but oh well. I'm replacing the faulty one. See this bar that goes across? It makes it difficult to get on or off. So I've already got it in there. Oops, I did have it in there. Let's see. It's hard to see and hold the camera at the same time. Come on. There it goes. Okay, got it. Oh yeah, now just... Okay, that's snapped in really good. Yay. Okay, more boot grease. There, and a little bit here. There we go. And there it is. Alright. I've replaced the clips, and I added a clip over here because I didn't like how close this was getting to the engine. I don't want it to be touching that engine, so I clipped it to this bar. I added one of those clip things to this bar and then just clip the wires in so they stay secure. Run nice and tight. Now I just have to plug in this one and I will be done with this side. Alright, that's it. Before going over to the other side, I just finished these last clips. It looks all neat and tidy. So yeah, let's get to the other side. There's the old spark plugs for the passenger side. I'm keeping this one separated since it was the damaged one. Oh, okay, I gotta get in there. It's gonna be a little more complicated than the other side. I had more room on the other side. Okay, this is the farthest one. Oh. Actually, that was easier than I thought it would be. Alright, and it is this one. One down. I have to install the first one.
Yeah, let me show you all the ways.
Everything is run nice and clean. All I have to do is this last short one, which is this one right here. And then I'm done. Yeah. Oopsie, I cut my finger. Last one. Alright. It is in. Oh, nice and clean. I'm going to disconnect the battery just so everything can reset, and then I will start her up and see how it goes. Okay, well, the battery is connected back and my hands are a mess. I like dirty hands though, shows you've been doing stuff. So let's see. Wish me good luck. Go ahead and start it. Well, that's a good sign. That was a nice start. It's running very smooth. So I'll let it get up to temperature and then I'll show you the engine. Usually it's when it dies down is when it idles bad, but now that all the spark plug wires are replaced, hopefully that was it. We're not going anywhere. No. No, you can't come in. We're not going anywhere. I'm just warming up the engine. Think I'd leave you? I won't leave you. You're good. Go lay down. Go. Good girl. The oil pressure's good. The temp is good. Battery's good. It just idled down. And it sounds good. But I won't be able to really tell until I leave tomorrow to take it for a drive. So it seems like everything is good. I'm pretty happy and pleased with this. Yeah, it's not idling rough anymore. And the most important thing is there's no clicking, arcing sound. Yay! See? Nice. Well, it's been a busy day today. I'm glad I got that done and solved. We're going to be heading back to Terry and Scott's property tomorrow. We're having a little get-together and fire here. So I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Mwah! Love you guys out there. Bye for now. Good night.